This is a little reference video so y'all can see what I wear normally and how it fits, because I have 3 jackets that are in dispute for purchase that aren't even close to what they were specified. So take a look at this. This is a large jacket purchased recently at Macy's. Let me just show you how it fits. Okay, this is how it fits. Doesn't look good with my collar like that, but that's not really the point. See? Fits fine. I can actually button it. I typically won't, but I can button this just fine. It buckles a little in the middle, but it's fine because I'm typically not going to button this jacket anyway, so it's okay. There's one. There's one more. This is a large also. Buttoned, fits fine. See the length of the sleeves, comes down to where they should, just past my watch and my bracelets. Everything's fine. I can stretch my arms out, cuffs will show, nothing more. That's 2. Here's another. This is also a large. Doesn't say it is, at least not where I can show it to you right next to the collar. But it's the same size as the blue one. Bought it at the same store, same day. Looks better with the collar down. I can button this. Comfortable. Sleeves are the right length. Okay. Fits the way it's supposed to. Just so we all know where we stand here. Same brand, different jacket. Purchased in the same location several months ago. Also a large. I'll never button this one. It fits just the way I want it to. As you can see, sleeves are just right. No problems with this. All right. Now, I want to show you what I received from Fogenord. Okay, here's the first one. You will see that this says L for large, yes? A large on another planet, maybe, but not on this one. Okay, so you see the sleeves? Let me get back a little bit. So you see the sleeves, see the length. You see this? I cannot button this at all. There's no way that this can be buttoned. Not a large, not a US large anyway. Maybe someplace where everybody's tiny, and I don't know where that is, but it's not here. Let me set this one over here for reference. Here's another one. This one is also, you can read it, it says large. See that right there? Okay. It's not terribly well made either, but you'll get information about that later. So once again, look at the length of the sleeves. They're a little short. There's no way I button this thing. See that? Look, hold this together like this. And you see how tight it fits. There's no way that I can button this and hold it together, and everything is just way too small and too tight. One more. All 3 of these jackets were ordered at the same time, same day, same specs, to be a US large. I double checked all their characterizations online about how to order it, and this one doesn't even have information on the inside of it about the size anywhere, no label, nothing. So this one is the most ridiculous of the 3. They all arrived from the same company at the same time. So look at this. This is as tight as I can get it. As you can see, it's a good 6 inches from being closed, and look at how short the sleeves are. So this is what Fogenord sent me, and they're disputing that it was correct. And there's no way in the world these are US large, even slim fit jackets. as you can see.